How you going there, guys? Just a little other video here showing the USB hub that we have. This is the one that we sell. So others might work. Again, we've tested and we know so this one does work, hence why we'll sell it. So at one end here, we'll just plug into the one of our USB coming out of our head unit. Especially quite handy on the T series here, so the bigger screens, because they only have 2 outputs coming out. So that's going into one of the USBs, and then we have 1, 2, 3 going into here, and you can actually have up to 4. So in here at the moment we've got the tyre pressure coming in, the dash camera, and I think that's the USB retention. So you can actually be running multiple devices that need data coming through to them, and that is the solution we have to get you the extra USBs for when they are needed. This one actually also does have a USB C in the back here. So all USB-A and then a USB-C there.